Let's go to the main page. Y'all are already there, but I'm gonna go ahead and go there myself because I need to see and show y'all something. So you take a look, you see your stream, this is the main page, you see everybody on your left, see everybody on your right, you see in the middle. So what I tend to do when I'm hanging out with folks, I'm going into their streams, if I'm really feeling the vibe and I like what you're doing, like of course I'm gonna follow you. If I have the money, which most times I don't, I'm broke as hell. But let me show you what was happening here. So I hit the follow button and then like, okay, maybe I want to check out this person's Twitter. Let's go ahead and click on the Twitter. What happens here? Oh no, what's happening? This page does not exist. Let me show you what's happening here. So this is not super common, but I'm seeing it and I am very guilty of this. I've done this myself. You see the URL is essentially typed in twice. Now, why is that? Let me show you. You go to, you click on the icon here, you click on creator dashboard. And then when you go to your creator dashboard, you would click on settings and then you click on profile. Once you go over here, you'll see a section for social media. I've blown this up because it has some personal information up top. If you take a look here, if you notice right here on the left, you see the Twitter, you see the Facebook, you see Instagram. Kick has already done the work for you. So they've already put in that part of the website. So all you have to do is you click edit, put in your handle. That's it. You put in your handle, save your changes. That should solve our problem. Refreshing the page, we'll click it. And boom, we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. We have fixed our problem. The only reason why I've mentioned this is because it's like a handful of streamers that I've personally gone to. I go on their Twitter because I want to follow them and maybe show some love by liking their tweet that they've gone live and retweet. A lot of these platforms, they're designed to actually suppress your go live links. So if you say, oh, I'm live, here's my link, Twitter is purposely suppressing it. No one's gonna see it because Twitter doesn't want them to see it. So hopefully somebody learned something in. You can check your stuff if you want to. And another thing that I would include to that is just test it. So after you set everything up, go to your page and test it to make sure it works. I am guilty of this. I have actually set things up thinking everything was cool, and I actually had that situation happen to me where someone's like, oh man, I was trying to follow you on Twitter and it wasn't working. I hope you learned something today. That's the whole thing. Like, I just want to see if I can educate as well and help others. We like to do what we want to do, get up and running and just go, but those small little things can go a long way. So hopefully that helps you, and thank you so much for listening to me both on YouTube and on Kick. I appreciate y'all very, very freaking much. So we got more Dragon Ball Fighters on the way.